This gas station is very popular during the summer and springtime for motorcyclists. They come here, they chat for a little bit, they fill up gas, and it's always at least 20, 30 bikers at a minimum. They even got a sign over there at the gas station for a motorcycle. Today I'm the only one. I'm the only one today. It's 39 degrees right now, and yep, it is what it is. It's dry. As long as the pavement is dry, I'm out. You guys enjoy. Look at the trees. Look at this. Look at the mountain. Dead. Everything is dead, but it's okay. It'll come back to life next spring, God willing.